Hey guys, welcome everyone, welcome sa aking channel. May bago na naman tayong vlog, yes! Kasi dumating na po yung ating author's copy ng aking first book na nirelease. Yan, galing kay Amazon, dumating na siya. At finally, eto na siya guys. So kaya iba-vlog natin siya para may post natin sa ating mga social media account, sa ating YouTube at TikTok para makita ng lahat. So guys, dumating na po yung aking author's copy, yung pinakaunang book na ginawa ko. So ito po siya. Ayan. Ginagawan ko siya ng vlog ngayon para may post at may promote. So guys, ito siya, yung author's copy. Ayan. Kanina pinakita ko na siya sa live streaming, yung unboxing, pero yung unboxing niya ito lang naman. Isang envelope na maliit. Ayan. So ayan. So ito siya. Ayan, makita mo naman yung Amazon logo. And ito yung original na book na nirelease. So guys, ito yung kanyang ISBN. Ayan. Wow. ISBN, International Standard Book Number. So for the first time, karoon tayo ng book na gawa ko. Ayan. So, ang title nga pala ng book is Simple Man, The Rise of an Unlikely Hero. So, kailangan natin i-vlog to dahil importante, ma-document natin. So, kaya nga pala ako nagba-vlog ay para ma-document yung mga nangyayari sa aking buhay at para makita ko rin yung aking mga videos sa YouTube at TikTok. So, guys, ito, please do get a copy. It is already available on Amazon for $10. This is my very first book na ginawa. It's all about a superhero named Simple Man, which is derived sa aking code name dito sa aking mga social media account. So guys, I am happy to share you my very first book. Ito po ay ginawa ko for the past 6 months. So, pahinto-hinto at finally natapos ko siya. Then sinadmit ko kay Amazon at na-approve naman niya para para ma-release. At na-publish na nga ni Amazon sa kanyang Amazon website. So, it is available anywhere guys. So, kahit saang Amazon, pwede kayong mag-purchase nito. It costs $10 only, which is equivalent to 500 pesos. So, ayan, medyo manipis pa lang siya. Kasi parang tinry ko lang kung makakapag-release ba ako ng isang book na gawa ko. This is all in my mind. This is all my idea. So lahat po ng mga nakasulat dito na istorya from episode 1 to 10 ay aking utak. Yan. So yan, yun yung gawa natin. So guys, I hope you do get a copy of my book. It's just $10 or 500 pesos. Medyo may kamahalan, pero kasi maganda naman yung makita mo naman yung papel niya. Medyo parang, at yung amoy ng book is parang talagang yun, sobrang social. Galing pa po to sa US. This is made in the US. Yan, made in the US. Yan, nakalagay naman, made in the US. Middletown, siguro Delaware. Yan, naka naman sa kanya kung saan siya ginawa. So, made in the US, hindi tayo yung putyo-putyo na libro. So, ito po ay high-end na libro. At yung kwento niya po is high-end din. Medyo simple lang siya, pero first book ko pa lang kasi siya. So, tinry ko lang. So, nagsubok lang ako. So, because it is my dream come true to have a book and to publish it for the first time. So, siguro sa mga darating na panahon, sana makagawa pa ako ng ibang book, na iba namang story. So guys, this is my very first book. Ito yung author's copy. Kapag kumuha ka kasi ng author's copy, almost 25% siguro yung discount mo kapag ikaw yung bibili. Or more or less 30% kapag yung author ang bibili. Kahit gaano pa karami yung bibili niya. So yan, lahat ng bibili ni author is may discount. So, maybe kung mabibili mo ng $10, siguro $7 na lang pag author ang bibili. So guys, it is available already in the Amazon market. Search nyo lang po, Simple Man, The Rise of an Unlikely Hero. This is my very first ever book. So I just want to read. Kanina na-read ko na rin to sa aking live stream. Nag-live stream agad ako kasi excited na ma-promote yung aking very first book. So I hope you could get a copy, and I want to share you the dedication I made dito sa book na to. Na-share ko na rin to kanina, nag-livestream agad ako habang naglalaro ng game. So I want to document it para sa isang video para may post ko sa aking mga social media account. At nandun lang siya kasi sa livestream medyo mawawala na rin siya. So ito, I will be saving this video para mapaulit-ulit nyo na mapakinggan yung video na to at marinig kung ano yung nilalaman ng aking book. So ito, isa sa mga ano yan, yung mga highlight ng aking libro ay yung isang part dito, yung dedication. Yan. Ito yung binasa ko kanina sa live stream, so I want to read it loud again para naman mapaulit-ulit ko siya kung ako ang manonood sa kanya at mapakinggan. Medyo nagagandaan kasi ako sa kanya, medyo emotionally attached ako dito sa dedication dahil itong book na to ay dinedicate ko sa aking mother and father, sa aking parents na namayapa na. So namatay na sila pareho, so wala na sila dito. Medyo may mga konting istorya sa pagkamatay nila. So, yun lang. Medyo nakakalungkot. But, I dedicate this book to both of them. So, I just want to read the dedication. Na-read ko na rin to kanina sa aking live stream. So, isi-save ko lang as video sa aking mga vlog, sa aking website, para magkaroon ng kopya. Yan. So, ma-save siya sa aking vlog. Sa iba-vlog natin. Iba-vlog ko rin to. So, ito guys, I just want to read the dedication once again. Na-read ko na to sa live stream. Kung may mga nakikinig dyan o makakapanood ng video na ito na narinig na nila sa live stream yung kwento tungkol sa dedication. So, ito guys, yung sinulat ko sa dedication, gusto ko lang iulitin para ma-vlog ko siya. So, sabi ko dito sa dedication, to my beloved mother and father, this work, Simple Man, The Rise of an Unlikely Hero, is dedicated to your cherished memory. You were my first heroes, my guiding lights, and the steadfast pillars of my life. Though fate kept me away during your final moments, my heart was with you, wrapped in the love and sacrifices that defined your lives and inspired mine. Yeah. Every word in this book carries the weight of my gratitude and the echo of your lessons of kindness, resilience, and unwavering courage in the face of adversity. I regret not being able to bid you farewell in person, not standing by your side in the moments when you needed me most. But the love you instilled in me, the values you imparted, and the dreams you encouraged live on in every page of this story. When I could not be there to lay you to rest, I sent what little I had as my final offering to you. A token of my love, though it could never measure up to the boundless support you gave me throughout my life. In those moments of sorrow and separation, I found the seeds of this story, a tale of sacrifice, love, and resilience to rise above loss. Mother, Father, this book is not just a work of fiction. It is a tribute to you, to the lessons you taught me about selflessness and the enduring strength of love. It is a promise that your legacy will never fade, that your love will continue to guide me as I navigate the complexities of life, and that your memory will forever inspire me to be a better person. With all my heart, Simple Man. So guys, yan po yung medyo emotional na dedication ko sa book na to. I am dedicating this to my parents, to my mother and father na namatay po kasi sila at hindi ako nakapunta sa kanilang libing. So it was unfortunate for me that I did not see them for the last farewell of their death. So yon, medyo kaya itong book na to ay medyo sa akin, ang tawag dito, memorable. So guys, please do get a copy, and I hope you could share my live stream, share my videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope this book will inspire you also to stand up in whatever difficulties you had in your life. So this is a superhero book, so I hope you get a copy, guys. This is already available on Amazon. Anywhere we have an Amazon, Amazon.ae, Amazon.com, anywhere, yes, Amazon.us. So guys, please do check out my very first book. Ito po yung kauna-unahang book na gawa ko. I hope you could get a copy. So guys, thank you. This has been your host, Master Simpleman, and I am inviting you every Saturdays and Sundays. I do have a program, Dear Mr. DJ with Master Simpleman, wherein I am reading the love letter sent to us by our letter sender regarding the love story of their life. It is a good program because you will learn something about love. So guys, thank you everyone, and welcome to my channel. This has been your host, Master Simpleman. Bumabate, and I hope you could get a copy of my book. Thank you guys. Nice to see you all. Bye-bye.